வணக்கம், வெல்கம் டு இன்ஸ்பயர் அகாடமி.
இன்னைக்கு இந்த வீடியோல என்ன பார்க்க போறோம் அப்படின்னா ஏப்ரல் மந்தோட பார்ட் 1 கரண்ட் அஃபேர்ஸ். What is the name of seat of corporation of Chennai? So it is ribbon building. Which city is also referred to as Pump City? So the city of Coimbatore is also referred to as the Pump City. Solayar Dam is located on which river? So it is located on Chalakudi River. Which district has the largest population in Tamil Nadu? So it is Tamil Nadu state owns the world's 6th largest manufacturer of watches under the brand name of which at Hosur. So it is Titan. Place known as the egg basket of Tamil Nadu. So it is Namakkal. Udayagiri Fort is located in which place? So it is located in Nagarkoil, that is Kanyakumari district. Mudumalai National Park is located in which district? So it is located in Nilgiris. Which one is recognized as state fruit in Tamil Nadu? So it is jackfruit. Murali Sri Shankar, who was seen in the news, is associated with which sport? So is associated with long jump.
மேலும் விவரங்களுக்கு 9842297768 கால் பண்ணுங்க. ஒரு inspireacadamii@gmail.comங்கிற மெயில் ஐடியை காண்டாக்ட் பண்ணுங்க. ஸோ இந்த வீடியோவை ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சேனலுக்கு சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. தேங்க்யூ.